Alright, spin for your first question. Spin for your first question. Next question. What type of fraction is formed when the numerator is greater than the denominator?
When the numerator is greater than the denominator.
Yeah, what type of fraction is that? Stop, please. If you don't know an answer, you have a lifeline. Ask a friend.
Fraction.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Stop. Are you sure?
Yes.
Final answer.
Yes.
Right, correct. 5. Now, just won 5 million. Oh, 5 million. You have 5 million here. Now, next question. Spin for next question. Spin, 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 spin. Next question. What do you call the cutting down of trees by man? Stop.
Cutting down of trees.
By man, what do you call it?
Deforestation.
Final answer?
Deforestation.
What?
Deforestation.
Final answer?
Yes.
You sure?
Yeah.
Alright, correct. 10 news. Now, wait, just spin. Wait, just spin. Now, you just spin. Now, I don't know what's next. And you don't know what's next, you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now you have a lifeline to take this money and leave here peacefully. You want to see next question of 15 years.
I'll leave.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Yeah.
The next question might be simple.
No good.
Now if you miss this question.
Yeah, we can answer. No.
Okay. Now if you miss this question. Mind you, you have not yet used the lifeline, that is one. And you still have a lifeline. And you don't know what question he has next. And I don't know what question is here next. So do you want to cash out with 10 million or you want to see the next question of 15 million?
I want to play.
Mind you, if you miss this, you are returning back the money you've won.
I'll play.
At your own risk. Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Alright, next question. How do you call a group of thieves?
Robber.
Are you sure?
Yeah, robber or gang.
Correct. 15 years. Now, you just want 15 years. You understand? That is 15 years. Now, do you want to see next question for 20 years or you want to cash out?
Cash out.
You sure?
Yes.
You still haven't used your lifeline yet.
Okay, I'll continue.
Alright, for 20 years, spin. Smart girl, smart girl. Smart girl. Same question, spin, spin, spin. Repeated question, spin, spin. Okay, bam. Now, finish the phrase. Never bite the finger that. Stop it. No, so please, stop it.
Never bite the finger that.
Stop it, you. Show. Never bite the finger that.
I don't know.
You have a lifeline. Ask a friend.
Who knows?
Come. Never bite the finger that.
Fed you.
Huh?
Feed you.
Okay, feed you. Correct. Now you just want 20 leaves. You understand? What's your name?
Sia.
Hi, Sia. You have all the lifeline, or you have all the chance in the world to take these 20 leaves and leave. Now you have used your lifeline. You have all the chance now to leave here. Or you want to cash out with the 20 leaves.
I'll leave.
Are you sure?
Yes.
You sure?
Yeah.
Alright. Thank you very much and congratulations, okay? Thank you very much. Thank you.